Good morning, welcome to Sehat Sentosa Clinic. My name is Puput Lestari. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I want to see a doctor. This is my first time coming here.
Alright, since this is your first visit, I will have you fill out the patient details form. May I ask you some questions?
Sure, go ahead.
Please, what is your full name?
My name is Michelle.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
May 3, 2006.
Alright, what is your compact home address?
I live at Jalan Mawar, Banjarnegara.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 08936.
What is your religion?
I am Islam.
And your marital status?
I am single.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I am allergic to penicillin.
Thank you. Do you have any medical history or chronic illness?
No, I don't.
What is your main complaint today?
I've been having stomach pain since yesterday.
Alright, your information is complete. I will register your visit. Please wait in the waiting area. The nurse will call you shortly.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you get well soon.
Bye.